Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long time since I came, but today it is kind of different video. I'm going to unbox this Boat 255 Max, which I bought it for my long rides. So it tells that it is having so much battery backup, so that's what I thought and bought this. So let's see what are all the features given in this particular headphone. So as you have seen that it is 255 Max, it gives 60 hours backup. It has some ENX technology, some beast mode, all those features are also there. But it has some EQ modes, some Boat app is there, so you can do that. IPX5 rating, so mostly the water resistant kind of thing it will be, so it will not be an issue if suppose it is raining. The price of this was 4,000 MRP written on the box, but from Amazon I got it for 1100, so that was a very good deal for me. So the reason for buying this instead of putting a speaker in the helmet was I can use it when I'm not doing any ride. Plus it has 60 hours backup, and also there is a feature of 10 minutes if you'll charge you'll get 10 hours backup. So mostly if you are going for a long ride and all that thing, it will be very good to take calls and all that thing. And whenever you are not going for ride, you can use for your normal purposes also. And I have checked it, the volume and the speaker quality is very good in that. Even for talking it is very good. I did some long conversation on phone calls and all that, but it was not hurting the ear. That size of that earphones are very good. Even the quality of that material used to make this headphone is very good. So in the box you'll be having that headphone, and after that you'll be having a Type-C charging cable, small one, with some earbuds. So that is the good part, that now you have this Type-C charging. So the same thing you can use it for your mobile, same thing you can use it for your headphone. And some paperwork, and there is a Boat sticker. As I told, the quality of material used to make this, for the thread, for plastic, everything is very good. So that's it in this video. It was a small unboxing of this Boat Max 255. Hoping to see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.